My name's Houston. We're here in Ag Power and Equipment. This is Junior.
My name is Junior. You know, I'm a professional welder. I'm the best one here. What can I say?
Yeah, for sure.
It runs in the blood.
There's a lot of stuff that goes into welding, and everything goes along with it. One of the important ones is safety. You got to have your gloves, your helmet, any PPE you need. Just
because then you can get burned really easily and fast. I learned my lesson a couple times. It's the worst burn I got one right here.
You can burn your retina off your eyes very easily.
Yeah.
What we're doing right now is we're just practicing on different amps and everything. There's 3 different types of welding: stick, MIG, and TIG. Right now we're doing stick.
It's a good thing to come in to do welding next year for the freshmen. Well, I don't think the freshmen can take that class, but you
I don't
start
know,
off,
I feel like it's just a good thing to learn.
yeah, it's a good thing to learn. It'll benefit you later in life when you want to do weld school, a trade school. And it'll just lead you to success, to be honest, instead of going to college. I mean, don't get me wrong, college is good, but it's just better if you're being a doctor or a lawyer. And that's when you're going to make the most money, to be honest. But America needs us.